Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a description on YouTube Shorts. Without further ado, let's dive right in. First, go to your YouTube app and click the plus sign here. You can create a short directly or upload a video. Let me just upload a video. Also, let me just adjust the length of this video. You don't have to do this if your video is just 1 minute short or shorter. Then here you can just add text, filters, voiceover, or Q&A, or you can also add sound on top. Once you're all done here, you will be asked to create a caption. So let's put a caption. And then if you want to change your thumbnail image, just click the pencil icon here. Just do it now here because you won't be able to edit this later. Then for the description, as you can see, we don't have add description option here. So what we're gonna do is to set it to private first, then upload it. Once it's done, you can see your newly uploaded video here. Or you can also tap this icon, then tap your videos. Then you will be able to see it here. Then just tap the three dots, then tap on edit. As you can see, we now have add description option here. So let's add a description. Then tap this arrow, then let's now change the visibility to public. Then save. Now let's check the video. As you can see, if we tap these three dots, we now have a description for this video. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video.